I'm gonna walk you through how I made this Afro beat right after the intro. Yo, the name is Godsign, still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in our first studio. I'm gonna walk you through how I made this Afro beat. You can download the sample kit from the link in the description box. Download it for free, but watch the video till the end to know the password to unzip the file. Very simple. So let's start. I started with 102 BPM. Alright, and I started with this chord progression. Let me zoom in so that you can see. So let's listen to the chord progression alone. Alright, then I routed it to the mixer, then I EQ it. What I did was I cut off some of the lows and highs ends. So let's listen to it. Alright, so the next thing I introduced was this counter melody. Let's listen to it alone. Alright, so I'm gonna add that to the chord progression. Let's listen. Download the sample kit that I use for this beat from the link in the description box, but watch the video to the end to know the password to unzip it. Let's play the two. Okay, so the next thing I introduced was this melody. I didn't place them on time, so this is how they sound. Alright, so let me add them. Okay, so I added this one too, this saxophone. Alright, so let me add them. Alright, so the next thing I added was this. Okay, so I'm gonna add them. Okay, so guys, right after that I was okay, so I introduced the drums, and let's listen to the drum alone from here. Alright, so let's add that. Change this to song. So I introduced this 1110 African shaker. Okay, let's add everything. So right after that, I introduced this drum fills. Okay, together with this, and this one. Subscribe to the channel, give the video a like if it helps you. Download the sample kit that I used for this beat from the link in the description box. Let's listen to everything. The name is God Size, still the solution carrier. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.